Okay guys, let's look at a hint for 1E. There's two things that make this one kind of weird. One is that we got to set it equal to 0 first, and then the other is what the quadratic is like. So let's do the first part. At the moment, our quadratic does not equal 0, it equals x squared plus 30. So let's fix that. Let's get rid of plus 30 by subtracting, and then we'll subtract the correct terms. So 6x squared minus 34 equals x squared. Now let's get rid of the x squared by subtracting x squared. Sorry for my crooked equals. Subtract x squared. So I have 5x squared minus 34 equals 0. Sorry, that was a little sloppy. I know I can do better than that. Okay, equals 0. So what we've done is just taken our equation and rewritten it so that we have all the like terms combined and we have 0 on the other side. Technically, these two equations have the same solutions. This is just a nice, more organized version based on combining like terms and solving for 0. So now we're going to solve this. What makes this one a little bit unique is that there is no bx term. We have our ax squared, we have our constant, but what we're missing is that value in the middle that just has an x, like 11x or 12x or minus 5x. What's good is these are actually really easy to solve once we recognize that this is true. We can just solve these with regular algebra. Add 34. So we have 5x squared equal 34. Let me make some room here. So this is just kind of basic solving for x stuff. Our goal is to solve for x. So we're going to move minus 34. Then we're going to take our equation and divide by 5 to get rid of times 5. And so what we have is x squared equals, and you can either use 34 over 5, or I think if you convert that to a decimal, it's 6.8. If x squared equals 6.8, then to solve for x, we need to take the square root of both sides. So square root is the opposite of squared. So square root x squared, square root 6.8. And what we get is x equals, and then I actually forgot this, it's positive and negative. There's two answers. One of them is positive square root 6.8, so work out square root 6.8, make it positive. The other one's negative. So there's two solutions. All right, I hope that helps. Class is about to start, 6th period, so I got to stop this video.